everything that comes from me is coming from Mom. Still came from me, so weirdness
Fidget
is
ball.
my fault. Her weird. Any weirdness I am, it's her fault. She already opened it. It's her fault. Whoever raised Kimberly's fault, because she didn't hang around much. Somewhere else. She's already doing.
Do a ADD toy part 2. Oh yeah, yours will have a thing that looks like this and you roll it around your hand. You're my favorite fidget toy too. I roll this in my hand too. Oh, you're my favorite fidget toy. Oh.
Work flat.
How you work? He push his head in and out. Oh. Mother, look what's in here. Little man. Look at little man. Let's see you fidget with it.
What is it? Fidget
It's
man.
what you gave me.
Fidget man.
Here, pull this tube.
Pull my tube.
Hold my tube, Mommy.
Okay.
Pull it open. Hurry, my phone's gonna die. Pull the tube open. Pull it open.
Oh, wow. Like freaky. Oh, this is the one that whistles. Oh, I like this one. This one's my favorite. Soft. Oh, ooh. You gotta get out of the car to see what. Feel this one. Feel this. It's soft. I've been wanting to feel this. Don't smack your face, Mother. Oh, yeah. Mother.
Ma.
Oh, yeah. That's the one I was waiting for. There we go. Go, AD.
Whack people.